Hey art friends, today we're celebrating America. It's 250 years old, and how are we going to celebrate?
Drawing a cake.
Yeah, a birthday cake. And we hope you're really excited to follow along with us. For this lesson, we're using our pencil and eraser and also our markers to draw and color with. All right, Hadley, you ready to celebrate America?
Yes.
Okay, let's do it. Hey, parents and teachers, if your kids are enjoying art with us, you'll really love our Art for Kids Hub membership. Watch our lessons ad-free and even download lessons for offline fun. It works on all of your devices: iPhone, Android, Mac, PC, Roku, and even Apple TV. Start your free trial today at artforkidshub.tv. Let's first draw the main shapes of our cake with our marker. We're going to draw 2 rectangle shapes. Let's start with the base. Actually, let's make 3 rectangle shapes. Let's starting with the bottom layer. We're going to draw it really wide so that it's nice and big. We're going to draw a short line down, but then a long line straight across the bottom. And I'm trying to leave the same amount of space on both sides. Yes. Yeah, I'm going to make mine taller like yours. Okay, and then we're going to draw that same length going across and down to draw our first rectangle shape. Good job. I like how yours is closer to the paper so it looks even bigger. Okay, we're going to draw the next layer, but let's draw it a little smaller or not as wide. So we're going to draw a line up, and I'm going to come in the same distance on the other side and draw another line up. Next, we're going to connect the top with a straight line across. There we go. Now for the third rectangle, we'll draw it down here, and it's the plate that our cake is sitting on. So we'll draw 2 short lines out on each side, and then 2 short lines down on each side, and then a line all the way across. Turn my paper sideways. Sometimes that helps. There we go. There's the main shapes for our cake. Now let's switch to our pencil, and we're going to use this to draw 250 for the candles up here in the top, because America is
250 years old.
Yeah, yes. Okay, let's start with the 5. We're going to draw it right in the middle. That's why we're starting with the 5, so that it's centered on our cake. So we're just going to draw the number 5. I'm going to draw it so it's kind of floating above the cake. The nice part too about using our pencils is you can redraw it if you need to. I'm going to draw the whole thing a little taller. And then you can switch to eraser and erase any extra lines you don't want to keep. These are just guidelines. So they're going to help us when we switch back to our marker. Now let's draw the number 2 on the left side. And we're going to do the same thing. Draw it up high and floating over the top of the cake. And then over here, the number 0, also floating. Okay, next, let's do a couple more decorations with our pencil. First, I'm going to draw a circle here and a circle here. Then we can draw it like little banners going across the top layer of the cake. So I'm going to draw, kind of look like smile lines going across the top. Let's also draw half circles out here that match the circle, so it looks like the banner is wrapping around the top layer. Okay, and then let's make the banner thicker. I'm going to draw another smile line, but go a little bit further down in the middle and then back up when it connects to the circles. And then we can draw a little side decoration for the banner on the side of the cake. I don't know if that's called a banner, but that's what I'm calling it.
It looks like one.
Okay, next, let's draw, on the bottom, let's draw stars. And we're going to draw really big stars. So I'm going to start by drawing an upside down letter V. Then we can draw a straight line across, so it looks like the letter A. And then we're going to connect with a diagonal line each of the points. So that one on that side and one on this side. Then let's draw 2 more smaller stars on each side. And I'm going to go a little faster because they're our friends. You guys can change the decorations any way you want. You can add different decorations. You could add stripes. And, you could add a lot more stars. We're just adding 3. Okay, let's switch back to our marker. And we're going to use our pencils as the guidelines. Let's first start up here for the candles. And we're going to turn these into box numbers, or we're going to trace around the outside, not on top of the pencil. So first, let's draw a short line there and a short line over here. So at the end of the number. And then we'll trace around like we're following the pencil line, but we're not going to trace on top of it. So we go around the outside, and then we'll start on the inside. Oh, and over here, I'm going to draw a short line down. And we could connect into, I forgot, we were going to connect into the cake. I was going to draw it floating too, but there we go. Okay, next, let's do the same thing for the number 5. So we'll do the 2 short lines on the end. Then we'll trace around the outside, go around, and then we'll connect into that short line here. And then we'll do the inside also. We'll go in, down, around, and I'm going to connect to the cake and to the short line. Yeah, keep going. Yeah, or you could draw a short line down. Sometimes they have a little extra part that you stick into the cake. Yeah, I like it. Okay, next let's draw the 0, and I'm going to start actually close to the pencil, up at the top. Ooh, we got a little bumpy. And then go further down here at the bottom. Oh, maybe you can draw the 2 little things like you did, short lines, so it looks like it's connected to the cake. Yes, and then we're going to draw the inside circle. There we go. But we need to turn these into candles, so let's first draw the wick sticking out of each number. And then we can draw raindrop shapes for the fire. I like that on this 0, you kind of changed it. You didn't trace around the pencil line. That's perfect. That's why we just use the pencil so that we can erase it at the end if we need to make changes. Okay, now let's trace over the decoration that we drew down here on the first layer. So I'm going to draw the circles. We'll just trace over the lines that we've already done. And then we can trace over the pencil for, we call these banners, but I'm not sure. Decorations. And then trace over the little end decorations too. Okay, now let's come down here and we'll trace around the stars. But we're gonna do it a little different. We'll just trace around the outside. We're not gonna draw over the entire pencil. We're just gonna use it for the outside. And then we can do the same thing for the little stars too. And what are we missing?
A funny face.
Yes, we have to add a funny face. I'm going to draw a really big smile and it open. And you guys can change your funny face too. I'm going to draw teeth and a tongue and then color in the back of the mouth. Okay, and the eyes. 2 circles and highlights or smaller circles to make the eyes shiny and color in the big circle. And we did it! We finished drawing our Happy Birthday America cake. Except we still need to
color it.
Yeah, this part will fast forward. But at the end, you can pause the video if you want to match our same coloring. But I think it would be fun if you add more decorations and color your drawings differently. But before we fast forward, let's switch one more time to our eraser and erase any of the pencil lines you can still see.
Okay.
Hadley, we did it! We finished coloring our America birthday cake and it turned out awesome. I especially like yours.
Yes, thank you. I really like how we added extra stars and stripes.
Yeah, it makes it look super patriotic. Like we mentioned, you can pause the video to match our same coloring, and you could add red stripes for the bottom, you could color in extra stars, and even,
Draw yourself in the background.
yeah, oh, that would be really cool, celebrating with a party hat.
Oh yes. We hope you'll often enjoy America's birthday cake with us.
Yeah, we do, and we want to wish America happy birthday, and we'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye.